Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nadernejad Media YouTube channel. My name is Danielle Minja, and today I'm going to be taking you through brand monitoring and how you can use that to help you fix and improve your online reputation, even starting today. If you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell just so that you're notified whenever we post videos about online reputation management or online reputation management tactics and strategies. Let's get started. So what is brand monitoring? Brand monitoring is the process of looking up your brand name or keywords in order to ensure that the sentiment around your brand name is positive, or if it's negative, in order to catch it before things go too crazy. This can give you an opportunity to either respond to the negative media, be it reviews or negative article, or it can also give you an opportunity to build a strategy if you have a negative media linked to your brand name. And it can also help you build an online presence if you search up your keywords and realize that there is no brand presence, or that if your brand doesn't come up as one of the first few options. So when you're looking out for discussions of your brand, these can be found in various places. I've already mentioned some of the more common places earlier, that is links and negative media on search engines, or reviews on things like Google My Business, Glassdoors, or Trustpilot. But negative media and a negative sentiment for your brand can also come from social media such as Twitter, Facebook, etc. In general, you need to remember that brand monitoring is a way of viewing your entire brand from the perspective of either your customers if you're a business, or just anyone looking for your name. Another important thing to remember about brand monitoring is that if you are a business, this can be very useful to track your competition. Your competition may have put in place certain strategies that could be beneficial to your business as well, or if your competition uses similar keywords, brand monitoring can help you establish areas where you need to improve so that your brand comes up on search engines as the top result. Brand monitoring can also be very helpful for finding backlinks. Backlinks are places where your website or your name has been directly linked and can create authority for your website because it tells search engines such as Google or Bing that your website can be trusted because it is being used as a source for other articles written by other people. You always want to remember, you don't just want to know when people are talking about you, you also want to know how people are talking about you, which is why brand monitoring can help you get ahead of any negative media or situations that can come up with your online reputation. And it can also help you get ahead in a positive light by building a brand name and presence where it does not exist. Now that we've discussed the definition and the various ways that you can use brand monitoring to help with your online reputation, I will be getting into the various specific tools that you can use for that brand monitoring. A very popular and free brand monitoring tool is Google Alerts. By setting up a Google alert for your keyword or various keywords, you're guaranteeing the fact that Google will find that keyword or keywords that are similar to it on search engines and let you know whenever anyone uses your keyword or keywords similar to yours. This helps you stay ahead of the game in terms of trends and research because you are going to be checking to see what the sentiment is around those keywords that you use for your brand. Google Alerts is a free tool, however, which means that some of the results are not always accurate. You may get results where the brand name or keyword is mentioned in an irrelevant situation, but it does help to make sure that your brand name is getting out there. If you've got some extra money to spend, an excellent way that you can monitor your brand is by using a paid monitoring software. One of those softwares could be SEMrush. SEMrush is a well-rounded SEO marketing tool that can be used for various reasons. However, their brand monitoring software is very well known. They can do things like analyze keywords and your competition's keywords. They can do a complete audit of your website, all with this tool. But one of the most, as I mentioned before, its most important benefit is that you can set up alerts so that whenever you have any backlinks or your brand name is mentioned, you can view those in one very clean section and accept or decline the ones that are relevant to your brand. As SEMrush can track any word or key phrase that you request, it is a very useful PR professional tool that is very commonly used for various social media managers, PR firms, etc. Meltwater is another one of those paid platforms that is incredibly popular as well. This is one of the most comprehensive SEO and brand monitoring tools that is paid. With their social listening function, you can monitor your brand sentiment as well as whenever your brand is mentioned in anything on the internet. This can help you understand the underlying themes as well as the emotions that are evoked from those posts that are being made with your brand name or your keywords. This can help you create a very detailed strategy to improve your brand monitoring and your online reputation management campaign. And that's it. 3 helpful tools for you to monitor your brand and improve your online reputation starting today. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more short, quick tips like this one, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and we'll see you next time. Bye.